Hello and welcome guys to our travel channel, and today we would love to invite you to enjoy Bún Bò Nam Bộ, a specialty food of Hanoi, a special food of Hanoi. And today we are going to enjoy a very famous, maybe the most famous place in Hanoi Old Quarter. It is number 73, number 75 Hàng Điếu Street, and this is called Bún Bò Nam Bộ. Yeah, bún in fact it means vermicelli. Yeah. So they have here bò, they stir fry bò, and they serve with lettuce and some type of other mint. Yeah, this is papaya, onion, fried onion. Yeah, and bean, yeah, sprout. And to enjoy this dish, we should mix it up like this. Alright, here and inside here they have sauce. This sauce is made from fish sauce with they serve with this sauce. This sauce must be a specialty. Must be special. To have the best taste, you should put it here a little bit of camphor. They have pepper and chili as well. They have chili sauce. They also serve you with a fresh chili as well. This place is very crowded. We are ordering fresh chili. This is in the tunnel. This is in the tunnel of this house. Okay, let's enjoy with me. Yeah, they serve with green chili. Fresh chili as well. I really like eating fresh chili to make the best taste. But remember that chili in Vietnam is very spicy. Just put it a little bit. Bye bye.